because that cooker is there and I can smell the food.
It's vinegar.
Joe, you might bite it.
How do you feel about eating cameras?
Yeah, they eat anything, I heard.
Just vinegar.
That's amazing.
You don't like the vinegar?
We got some wild burros in camp.
That's pretty fun.
Aw. We got a stuck RV here. Someone took a wrong turn down this road, a little too steep and rough. So we got a rescue crew coming in with the tow strap. I'm gonna get this guy pulled out of here. All right, so we've got the rescue truck hooked up here with a tow strap. He's gonna put it in gear, try to give a little assist once he gets tugging. Hopefully you can get him out of here without ripping his RV apart. Here we go. We're moving. Hey, hey! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Nice! Okay, today is departure day from our camp spot here in Big River, California. This is just across the Colorado River from Parker, Arizona. Our caravan group has been camped here for a full 14 days. It was a very nice stay for me, very relaxing. I stayed in camp pretty much most of the 2 weeks, other than a couple runs into town. So it was just very nice to just stay stationary and enjoy camp life. Keep things simple and not spend very much money. That's the real perk here. So this caravan group is going to move on today to Anza Borrego, California, where we will camp out for another 14 days, take us through the holidays. Some of this group is going to break off and join Caravan Group 1 in Ehrenberg, Arizona. And that's just fine. We welcome that. So it'll probably even out the group numbers a little bit. At the most, at this spot, I think we had 55 rigs, but everyone stayed pretty spread out, and it just didn't really seem like there was that many people here. At our evening campfires, we averaged about 25 to 35 folks. Just really enjoyed getting to meet new people and build some friendships and share information and stories. It's just been really great. So I am just finalizing my camp cleanup here. Like I said, I've been here for a full 14 days. Had quite a bit of morning dew. Things have been damp in the morning, so I'm letting my windshield cover dry out there. A few other items. And we will get packed up. And the adventure continues. Okay, this is it. We are moving on out of here. That was a quick 2 weeks. Those 14 days went by fast. Took a ride around our camp area this morning on my bike. We are looking good as far as trash. This group did a really good job of staying tidy, packing out all of their trash, which is good. Seems like everyone really came together to make this go as good as possible. We all donated into our firewood fund so we could have campfires, and just had a really good time getting to know each other. It was a blast. So we'll move on to our next spot, get relocated, as we head out of Big River, California. Away we go. So here we are walking along the shoe fence. This is totally a desert thing. Reminds me of Slab, something you'd see in Slab City. There are some concrete slabs in here, so this is the remnants of something, with shoes hung everywhere here. Watch your step, a lot of rusty nails around here. Pretty weird. What does this say here? High class white trash, surrender thou booty. Interesting. Quite a display. And we've got a toilet. Pretty ridiculous. Anyway, let's get back on the road. Okay, so this is our turnoff off of S22, Highway S22, or also it is called Borrego Salton Sea. The street we're turning on is Rockhouse Trail Road. There is a street sign as well as that yellow dead end sign. It's a paved road for a little bit. Look at this mountain range ahead of us, beautiful. You'll go up the pavement for a little bit. Just up at the top of the hill here, it's going to turn to dirt and we're going to veer right. We'll just use this dirt road here for a little bit. Okay, and we're going to come up on this big puddle here. And we're going to avoid it by veering around this side here. And we got around that big puddle in the middle of the dirt road. We're going to go up just a little further. And I posted a sign up here. It says CRVL, stands for Cheap RV Living. We're going to hang a right where that sign is. There's this little opening. Look at those mountains though, beautiful. So we're going to turn, there's our sign, CRVL. Just turn right here. It's not a super defined road, but we're just going to pull in here. See that pickup truck with a truck camper ahead of me? That's the direction we're heading. All right, well, we'll give you a shot of the camp here. We've got a pretty good sized group going already. I am camped here. We are technically in Anza Borrego State Park, and to have a campfire, it needs to be in a metal container. So somebody left an old washing machine barrel here. So I'm parked by that. This is my camp setup. Parked so I got some shade on my side door side. And this is pretty much all the caravan group camped around me here. Haven't done a count yet, so I'm not sure how many we have, but we've got a decent sized group. Going well. We're right up against this beautiful mountain range here. This is free dispersed camping here in Anza Borrego State Park. You can camp here for up to 30 days consecutive in 1 year's time, or you could break it up over the year's time. Come here, camp for 15 days, take off, come back and camp for another 15 days. So kind of a unique setup here. We are about 7 miles out of the town of Borrego Springs, so we'll take a drive in there. I'll show you the little city park in the middle of town. It's kind of cool. Well, I stopped at the little park here in the center of Borrego Springs. It's right in the middle of the turnabout, right at the base of these mountains here. And they really keep this park just immaculate, as you can see. There are flush toilet bathrooms here. They actually have free Wi-Fi in the park. And in this gazebo here, sometimes there'll be live music there. And they hold a farmer's market here on Fridays from 8 a.m. to noon, I believe. So I'm probably going to come back down tomorrow for the farmer's market. That's the Art Institute there. Kind of the center of town up the road there. And then our camp is back the other way. That's where I'm going to head now. This Rockhouse Trail Road does continue down into this canyon. So we'll hop on the trail bike and take a ride down there. One of the other campers here has a little electric dirt bike, so we'll take a ride down there.
Dead body spray paint.
Dead body inside.
Man, that backdrop.
You know. All right, I'd say so far the caravan has been a big success. I've got a lot of positive feedback from the folks here. Seems like everyone is really enjoying themselves, and it's been very beneficial for a lot of the people here. I am enjoying myself. I feel like I've made a couple friends with some people that have showed up, so that's great. And just overall, a very good experience. I'm really glad I volunteered to do this. So I hope you're all doing good out there. We'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.